So here is our official look at the OnePlus 8 Pro thanks to the press renders of the phone that have now leaked. These press renders don't reveal anything that we don't already know when it comes to the design, but they do reveal the 3 color options. The OnePlus 8 Pro is coming in at least 3 colors, and they are the ultramarine blue, glacial green and onyx black. If you have seen the press renders of the OnePlus 8, then you know that only the blue color is different and rest of the 2 colors are the same for the OnePlus 8 Pro. Anyways, once again talking about the design, the OnePlus 8 Pro has a curved display on the front with a punch hole cut out for the single selfie camera. On the rear there is a quad camera setup. So when it comes to the design, it is not easy to differentiate between the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, as the design is mostly the same except for the fact that the Pro has a bigger size and an extra camera on the back. As we already know, the OnePlus 8 Pro also has IP68 certification, something that is first for any OnePlus phone launched so far. And yes, the IP68 rating is there only for the Pro model and not for the OnePlus 8. Another thing that is first for the OnePlus 8 Pro is wireless charging. It supports 30 watt fast wireless charging and also reverse wireless charging, although the speed is just 3 watt when you use the reverse wireless charging feature. Talking about the other specifications, the OnePlus 8 Pro has a 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Moreover, it is a very bright panel with a peak brightness of 1300 nits. There is also a custom MEMC chip that can push an ordinary 30 fps video up to 120 fps so that you can see a much smoother footage. So in terms of the display, OnePlus has done an impressive job. One of the highlights of the OnePlus 8 Pro is its camera setup. There are quad cameras on the back that include a primary 48 megapixel Sony IMX689 sensor with OIS. Now this is the same camera sensor that was seen on the Oppo Find X2 Pro. Similar to the Oppo Find X2 Pro, there is a secondary 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor with an ultra wide angle lens. While there is no periscope telephoto camera on the OnePlus 8 Pro like on the Find X2 Pro, the phone does have an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Finally, there is a 5 megapixel color filter. On the front, there is a 16 megapixel camera. Now, since there is a 120Hz display and the powerful Snapdragon 865 SoC, the OnePlus 8 Pro has a big 4500 mAh battery and 30 watt fast charging. The phone comes with 8 or 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB UFS 3.0 storage. Well, we now know the design, the color options and also the full specifications of the OnePlus 8 Pro. The only thing that is left to know is the pricing, and yes, the phone is going to be expensive. Still, the CEO of OnePlus has already said that the company will keep the price of the OnePlus 8 series under $1,000. However, don't be surprised if the price goes over €1,000 in Europe, since the price in the European market is generally higher compared to other markets. So what do you think of the OnePlus 8 Pro? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.